I guess that everybody should know what's Medline. That's a database where the main papers are indexed. So if you have dots, for instance, if you browse the Medline, you put a couple of keywords, temporomandibular disorders and electromyography, and you can see that all the review papers, so the papers summarizing the current knowledge, tell you that electromyography should be used. Okay? So that's also a way to protect yourself from buying unnecessary devices, for instance. In the field of praxis, just using the very generic term, keyword term Bruxism, will show you that the number of papers is skyrocketing.